Hi, this is Highbridge Motorhome's Devon branch on a scorching late May day, and we are out here on the forecourt trying to get the odd video done of some recently arrived stock. And this one isn't just recently arrived, it's recently returned. It's the second coming of this 2021 plate Adria Compact Supreme SP. So Adria, top quality premium European manufacturer based out of Novo Mesto in Slovenia, where they have one of the industry's largest and most advanced production facilities. These days part of the massive Trigano empire, but very much a high-end company. They've been going 61 years, and in that 61 years they've had to export all of their products into the German, the Scandinavian, the French and the British market and beat them at their own game, so they've got to be decent to do that. The Compact family came out in 2007 with the original Compact SP, ran all the way through to this year, to be fair, but Compacts are still out there, but SP is no more. The SP is the shortest one. It's 5.99 metres with a transverse fixed bed to the rear, based on the Fiat Ducato, and by Compacts that means narrow body. Basically this is both short and narrow. But if I stand here, so this Personer is 2.35 metres, you can see the body sticks out, whereas this is 2.1 metres, it's 25 centimetres narrower, so it's the same width as a van conversion. It's the same length as a van conversion. It's actually, to be fair, it's 5 centimetres wider than a van conversion. Probably a little bit taller, but it feels much more spacious because it's squared off, and means you can have short arm van wing mirrors instead of the wider truck mirrors on the Personer. So we find the majority of the vans we sell are compacts and van conversions these days, particularly being in Devon as we are. So they do 3 different versions: Access at various times, Access Plus and Supreme, and this is the Supreme, which is the top of the range one. It's a 2-owner from new 21 plate. We sold it to the first owner, who changes vans very regularly, and we sold it to the second owner, who's just part exchanged it against a longer Adria Compact, so he must have liked it. So the Supremes were all in silver, aluminium silver as Fiat called it, based on the Fiat Ducato. Now this is a real special one, so it's got the 2.3 Iveco unit. It was the last year of the 2.3 Iveco engine, which Fiat used for many years, but it's Euro 6 final with the AdBlue, and it's 140 horsepower with the 9-speed automatic, which is what everybody wants, a full torque converter gearbox. So looking around, it's done 15,000 miles. It's in impeccably good condition. It's got this very smart bonnet deflector, bonnet bra, whatever you call them, on the front. It's just beat COVID, this one, so it's still got the LED daytime running lights, which disappeared, and the fog lights, which also disappeared during COVID years. Got the body colour bumper, the high gloss style pack, the Adria badge on the front. It is a great looking van. 16-inch Fiat alloys, and they've been freshly wrapped. They've still got the little rubber nodules on, in very expensive Michelin Agidis cross climate tyres, at which stage the gentleman's wife decided to change the van. So you'll be benefiting from £800–900 worth of the best camper tyres, arguably the best camper tyres money can buy. Short arm manual fold electrically adjustable heated wing mirrors, upgrade LED indicators, look really cool, to be fair, smoked LED indicators, double glazed all the way around. Adria's thermo build is famous. They are the best-selling brand in Scandinavia year on year, and they have to be designed to survive a Norwegian winter. So they looked excessively at cold bridges, at water ingress, at heat retention, at how the air flows through the van. So that should keep them cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. It's grade 3 fully winterised. The pipes are inside. The wastewater tank is heated and insulated as standard. The freshwater tank's inside. We've got mains hookup. We've got a roof mount solar panel. I'll have to check the leisure battery situation, but I would imagine it's got twin AGMs on it. I have to confirm that. It came as standard with one. Gas and electric Truma combi boiler. You'll see that in most vans. Separate cassette toilet. Freshwater fill-up point for your inboard fresh tank, and they did come with a 2-pin socket there. Originally it would have been supplied with a sucker pump for pumping in water from a container if you preferred to bring the water to the van. Probably not still with it, that pump, but you can get one if you want one. So gas locker for twin 11 kilo European size bottles. This will have to come out. It was left in, but we believe the bottle is over age, so while they're actually perfectly okay, we can't leave it in due to gas safety regulations. So once these gas low bottles are over 10 years old, I believe you're supposed to replace them, but that is a refillable gas system. So if you wanted to use this, all you will need is to pay us the price for a new bottle, basically, and then you fill up with LPG from a pump, and you've still got enough room for a Calagas bottle next to it, or indeed a second LPG bottle. Gas garage door, even look at that from the other side. Corner condition, perfect on all sides. Factory fitted reversing sensors, factory fitted Camos reversing camera, factory fitted Fiamma bike rack clamping points. If you wanted to put bikes on the back, you can just get a Fiamma Pro DJ N short arm and it will fit on there. Garage at the back is the only bit of the van that probably needs a sweep out, that's all. Single bed infill cushion for the front, and some toolkit probably, and your spare tyre inflator because you don't get a spare wheel. That's the uppy downy hot cold thing to heat your wastewater if it's going to be sub-zero. This is a heated area. There's also up there USBs, 12 volt and mains, so you can charge e-bikes in the garage or run cables out and sit outside. Water dump points, nice and easily accessible. It's only 5.99 meters, but it does everything really well. This 2-lay Omnistore black awning, factory fitted, very nice condition, very smooth, feels like it might have been paint protected or polished very regularly. It's a lovely van, this. Centrally locked habitation door. We'll have a look at the cab spec inside. So no steps, you can step up into it. It's a fly screen door, it's got a little bin, and you've got a little Adria badge, lights up, reminds you what van you've got. Stepping inside, it's a very light and modern van. So the other thing you got with the Supremes was you got the white high gloss cabinet works. Not everybody's taste, but it is to a lot of people's. Everything just lines up really well with Adria's. Blinds and fly screens and all the windows. Half dinette with 2 seatbelt with travel seats behind there. A bit of storage underneath. Batteries under there maybe. So cab spec. So we've got the appeared for 1 year only, 2020-2021 model year, 7-inch, 8-inch Fiat Bluetooth DAB stereo with nav. Don't think it does Apple CarPlay. You could change it to one that does, or you could use that there on top, which is a tablet holder, flips up, put a tablet on it instead. 9-speed ZF torque converter, fully automatic gearbox, air conditioning, cruise control, and full Remis concertina cab blinds. Looking up from there, you're bathed with light from the large panoramic skylight, and then there's an opening wind up roof light there as well. The table has a leaf that comes out, so you can have 5 people sat around it. It will sleep 2.5. The table drops down, comes to there, and you've got a single bed that goes that way or that way. It'd be alright for kids or a shorter adult. Behind here is a wardrobe with a hanging rail in it and your trips. This generation Adria got the really easy to use control panel. It's just got individual icons for each thing, nice and easy, and the nice and easy digital heater and hot water control from Truma up there. Yeah, it's so hot. I better rush through this because otherwise the phone's going to overheat and shut down. 3 gas burners side by side, nice and easy to use, bits of workspace around it. 3 storage drawers, that's blank. Nice big sink with a big tap. Window for ventilation. 12 volt fridge freezer. I think it's 12 volt. Don't hold me to that. I'm pretty sure she's a 12 volter. Maybe. I think it is. Swing wall separate shower. Adria award winning bathroom. When you want to shower, bring it across. And when you don't, you've got a good size rest of the bathroom. Big storage cupboard. Opening skylight. 28 by 28 and a nice solid hanging rail. Very nice. Access to the garage, and if your dog's or grabbing things, steps that come down, and then your rear bed. It is raised up, so you got to be okay getting in and out, but it's not too high. Got 3 closed cupboards, another full size wind up Hecky roof light, the window thing there. It's got a TV aerial on the roof. We've got a TV bracket which will slide out and spin around to face the front. Light switches, reading lights, shelf. Only mark on the van is just you've got a little stain on here. I don't know what it is, whether it's from kitchen or from rain or nothing. It's very clean. It's no problem. Just put a topper on it. If you want to buy a new mattress, you can do. It's not something we'd replace. You do have that splash guard there for when you're using the kitchen. Apart from that, it's absolutely immaculate, this van. It's a beautiful thing. So give us a call. if I might not survive and sort of drop heat stroke in the van. I should have opened the skylights first. But give us a call on 01626 832 792, hit Motorhome Sales. If you want to text us or WhatsApp, use the mobile 07432 662 558. If you want to email me direct, feel free, jw4 at highbridgecaravans.co.uk. Check us on the highbridgecaravans.co.uk website. That next week is going to be replaced with an all new one that we spent 7 years building, so it should be super duper. Or come and see us, Newton Abbot, Devon, just literally right on the A38 South Devon Expressway, not long after the end of the M5 between Exeter and Plymouth. And this is the price, $59,995. Left it right to the end. I'm so sorry, it annoys me when people don't say the price of things. Yeah, $59,995, and that's new MOT, major engine service. Cam belt's probably just been done. If it's not been done, it is due on years, so we will do the cam belt. And 12 months warranty. So 2021 Adria Compact SP Automatic Supreme at Highbridge Motorhomes, Devon. Thank you very much. Goodbye.